Hello and welcome to Storytime with Speech and Smile. I'm Miss Stephanie and I'll be reading your story today. Today's story is Bo the Boat. We'll be reading our story and using our say and play mini objects. If you have yours, why don't you go ahead and get them out and we'll get started. Bo the Boat. The sun comes up, a bright new day. Good morning, Bo. Show us the way. Hi, Bo. Now, first things first, Bo has to go. He zooms to pick up Captain Mo. They pass a friend. Have a nice day. She carries cars across the bay. Honk! They catch some fish. Look, 1, 2, 3. One fish hops out into the sea. Uh-oh! Mo's net is caught. He pulls and sees a big red claw. Be careful, please. Ouch! A baby whale looks lost at sea. Bo looks. Where could her mama be? Hi, Mama. They bring full nets back to the bay. Now Bo and Mo will float and play. Hooray! The day is done. The sun goes down. Safe at the dock. It's calm in town. Shh. Here in the bay, the moon shines bright. Mo waves to Bo. Sweet dreams, sleep tight. Night, night. Thank you so much for joining me today as we were reading Bo the Boat. I had so much fun reading through this story while using our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects. You can go on to speechandsmile.com to find many other story kits and books to go along with the stories as well. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Make it a great day.